Hello guys! Good morning! For today's video, gagawa tayo ng box set for ninang. So, ito yung idea namin guys and idea ng organizer para gawin ito. So, ang gusto ng organizer is merong mugs, mirror, mini hairbrush at saka notebook. So, yan guys, yung notebook dyan, hairbrush at saka mirror. Naka-engrave yan siya. And then yung coaster ng mugs, parang takip niya, naka-engrave din. So, ayan yung set. So, naubusan ako ng paper, guys. So, sorry for interruption. Gagawa muna tayo. And then, this set na naman is for ninongs naman. So, yung sa ninongs, guys, is ang nag-provide ng wine glass dyan is yung organizer. And then, yung sa amin lang is yung wine glass at saka yung bottle opener. So, ayan. Yung sa wine glass na yan is yung UV stickers yung ginamit namin kasi mas long last siya at mas maganda yung quality niya sa glass. At saka yung bottle opener naman is merong yung logo ng logo nila sa kasal and then yung name ng bawat ninong. So, ayan guys, makikita nyo, very high quality yung gift box namin. So, hindi kayo mapapahiya sa mga VIP na mga bisita nyo. So, dito, makikita nyo guys, meron siyang wine. Hindi ko nasasabihin yung brand, baka maka-copyright tayo. And then, yung wine glass niya na very social at saka yung bottle opener. So, hindi ko pala na-picturean guys, yung sa groomsmen niya at saka sa best man, meron yun siyang pa-add. And then, this box naman, guys, is for bridesmaid. So, nag-add lang si organizer dyan ng yung slippers, sunglasses, at saka yung robe, at saka yung ribbon. And this one, guys, this box of for ninangs naman, ayan you guys, tignan nyo, very social, diba? Pero mura lang po yan siya, hindi yan siya expensive. So, hindi talaga kayo mapapahiya for your VIP ninangs and VIP ninongs dyan. So, meron pa siyang hand cream at saka yung ipit. So, kami lahat nag-engrave niyan guys. Meron dito sa page na to, you must PM nyo lang kami at saka nag-print na din kami dyan ng letter for ninangs. At saka yung sa ninongs na box guys, meron yun siyang letter. At that's all. Thank you!